Hey, what's up, y'all? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Alright, we gotta take a PSCC, man. Prospect Capital made its first dividend cut since 2017. They cut the dividend 25%. They cut it from 6 cents to 4.5 cents a share monthly. Still pays out monthly. That'll give it a dividend yield between 8 to 9%, somewhere between there, which is still good for $4.50 stock. All right, they say that the 25% dividend cut is needed as it shifts holdings away from the riskiest slices of collateralized loan obligations and real estate investments into its core business of first lien senior secured loans and equity stakes in mid-sized companies. So all that said and done, being quick, what am I doing about it? I think they are going to be all right. Like I said in every other video, the REITs, REITs, real estate investment trusts, the BDCs, business development companies, and the financial sector will benefit the most from the interest rate cuts. I think the banks are doing the best out of all of them now. The banks really are not down. I mean, some of them, depends on which bank you're talking about, making new 52-week highs. But I'm gonna keep on buying, man. I'm gonna buy one share a day, one or two shares a day, and one of my buying whole portfolios. But in my Weeble portfolio, I am gonna swing trade it. I'm a swing trader and I'm a scalp trade it. Swing trading, you can dollar cost average. You could buy 2 shares a day, 5 shares a day, 10 shares a day. Whichever it is, you buy it at $4.20, some at $4.40, some $4.50, and you might have a sale pricing like in mine. You ain't taking no less than $5 a share. So you just dollar cost average between the 4.20, 4.50. Today it got down to $4.15. And you just hold it and sell it at $5. You might be waiting a while for it to make it there though, but at least while waiting, you will get a 4.5% dividend every month. That's one benefit about swing trading dividend paying stocks. Or now this is my method. Okay, you only gonna make 4.5 cents a share a month. Cool. Before we're gonna leave it at the old rate, the six cents a share a month. If you hold it for 30 days, you get 6 cents a share a month. Cool. Okay, got it. So if I can buy shares, and if I cannot be greedy, if I can buy something at $4.20, I can sell at $4.32. Just making a 12 cent a share gain, capital gain. And I'm buying 25, 50 shares a day or whatever it is, 100 shares, you done dollar cost that, whatever it is, but you're not trying to get that. You're not being greedy. You just want to turn it over, flip it. Because remember, if you hold it, you only get 4.5 cents a share a month. Now, one thing I do like about Prospect Capital is this trade volume. It got a regular volume of 13.77 million trades, but it got an average volume, a daily volume of 2.76 million. Now, in my time and experience of trading, I like to swing trade anything that has a million in volume or better, a million trades a day or whatever. But it's got 2.7 at a daily, and the regular is just 13.77. So this stock does have a lot of traffic with it, which make it, easier for you to get in and get out of it. Like today had a 52-week low at $4.15 with a high at $4.45. Now it opened up at $4.45, went to $4.15 and came back up and finished at $4.38. So I actually brought some shares at $4.20 and I sold it at $4.35 in my Weeble portfolio. It was only five shares, but I took the little 20-cent profit, whatever it was, just to rinse and repeat it. But I'm going into it like I say. I'm a one thing you do get for holding, you do get 4.5 cents a share, but it got enough trade volume to where you can trade it and swing. It'd be a good stock for you to swing trade. I done swing trade this many times in the past, but I waited for it to get above the $6 and $7 mark. You know, that when the stock was higher. So, but that's where I'm going at with it. I'm going still, like I said, I'm gonna buy the minimum of 2 shares a day in the buy and hold. And see how everything just turn around. Cause you still can't beat the dividend yield, even at a 8 to 9% interest, not interest, but dividend yield. Um, but I will be. I'm telling you, I'm gonna swing trade. I don't video my Weeble portfolio. All I do is videos. I don't do no live trades on there. To me, it's kind of difficult because you can't buy like fractional shares on Weeble. You can just only with certain companies. Um, but Robinhood more like user friendly. That's why I like to use that, though, to show people on videos. Cause that's a more user friendly brokerage app. Them and Cash App, about the two most user friendly ones. But yeah, man. I'm a hold on. I ain't panic selling. I'm buying the dips, and I'm telling you, if I'm making 12 cents a share. I'm selling it. Rinse and repeat. I'm gonna rinse and repeat and rinse and repeat. By doing that, I'll make a couple dollars. You know, couple cent off every share. Is number one. Number two, I'm gonna lower my average cost. And number three, the remaining shares I got, I'm holding. I can get the 4.5 cent a month dividend. So you can't beat that. I mean, if you could just swing trade that stock there and whatever maintenance you got when the trade going bad, you still get a dividend. I mean, you can't beat it if you use that kind of strategy. That's my personal opinion now. But that's where I'm going at with it and about it. And I'm gonna roll out, man. Signing off. Go get your money.